If you're traveling to Europe in the fall or in the future, and more specifically to any of these countries, and you're from a non-EU country, changes are coming. The EU's new entry-exit system known as EES is finally here. This is something that has been in the works for a few years now. It's been delayed year after year after year, but finally we have a start date. This will be starting October 12th of this year. So October 12th, 2025. If you don't know what EES is, you've never heard of it, let me quickly explain it. It's an automated biometric data system, and they're using this system to register non-EU citizens that are traveling into the EU or into the European Economic Area. With this system, they'll be able to see when people cross in and out of the EU and have all of their personal information and data. Because this is an automated system, unfortunately, this is set to replace all of those amazing passport stamps that we love so much. So the purpose of this is to allow them to better monitor travel patterns and also see if there are any travelers that are overstaying. Once this is implemented on October 12th, this is what's going to happen. You're going to come into the EU and you'll go to a kiosk, and at the kiosk you'll register with your by getting your photo taken, scanning your passport, and having your fingerprint taken. And then this will give you a digital record that will last for 3 years, even if your passport expires. And this is also going to be free, so you don't have to pay anything for this. Again, operations begin for this on October 12th of 2025 this year. But they're going to be implementing this gradually across the borders of these countries within a 6-month period. From my understanding, what I think is going to be happening is that all of the countries will be introducing the components of the full EES system in phases. This means that your biometric data might not be taken at every border crossing right away. In the meantime, I do think our passports will continue to be stamped. They're hoping for a full implementation by April 9th of 2026, so next year, so that on April 10th of 2026, the entire system should be operating fully. I do plan on going to Europe a few times starting in October, so I'll keep you updated specifically on Spain's integration and what's happening over there. I'll keep you updated in the pinned comment of this video, the pinned comment of this video right here, and then also in the community tab or the posts tab. I do want to note though that this new system does not require any children under the age of 12 to have their fingerprints taken, but I do think that they will be integrated into the system, but they are not required to have their fingerprint taken. Now, someone did leave a comment on a TikTok video that I made recently saying that they went through the system earlier this year in Prague. Now, I do know that they were running a pilot program of the EES system, and I do believe that Prague was one of the cities that was involved in that. They were saying that things weren't running that smoothly, and I think they couldn't get their fingerprint scans weren't getting saved or stored in the system. So, you know, that is to be expected. But again, I'll be keeping you updated as I go through the system. If you're traveling to Europe in the fall and you would like to share your experience going through the EES system, definitely leave a comment down below and share with us what your experience is like. That's it. This is just a quick video to update you and let you know that there is a start date for the new EES system. Now, ETIAS, a European Travel Information and Authorization System, is set to roll out 6 months after EES. So if you're curious about ETIAS and what that is, definitely check out this video right here, and I will see you in the next one. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye.